Good morning, students. In exercise 5, in first problem, second bit. So that is minus 21 into brackets open minus 4 plus minus 6 brackets close is equals to within brackets minus 21 into minus 4 brackets close plus again within brackets minus 21 into minus 6. See, this is the problem. What you have to do, you should verify. What you have to do, you should verify. So in lower classes we learned distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. This is called left distributive law. So if you compare, this is like A, this is like B, this is like C. It is A into B plus C. Okay, same like this. So once see here A into B plus A into C. So distributive property, how it is the same like that it is there. So what you have to do is, you should take LHS and you have to simplify this entire. Okay. You have to take only LHS and simplify this one. So I'll take only LHS here. This is LHS. What is that? Minus 21, okay, into minus 4 plus minus 6. This is LHS. Now, always in simplification we have to remember a rule that is called BODMAS. So this if you apply, then only every person will get same answer. If you won't apply this rule, one person will get one answer, and that is not correct one. Now what you have to do is, B stands for brackets. These are called braces or brackets. Both are same. So within the brackets you have to simplify first. So here it is equals to, I am writing this minus 21 as it is I wrote here, and here I am removing the brackets inside. So minus 4 as it is I am writing here, plus into minus 6. Minus 6 also as it is written. Now minus 4 and minus 6 in between into is not there. So here minus 4 minus 6 means, if I want to say perfectly, 4 rupees you took from your mother and again still you asked 6 rupees. So how much money you taken from your mother is minus 4 minus 6. That is nothing but, if you have same symbols and addition if you want to do, means you have to keep same symbol and add these two. 4 plus 6 is how much here? 10. So minus 21 into minus 10. See, 21 before minus is there, 10 before minus is there. First you have to multiply symbols, I said, into is there. Minus into minus is plus, no need of writing. 21 tens are. 10 table is very easy. 9 tens are. 9 after 0 I have to keep it. 8 tens are. 8 after 0. 21 tens are. 21 after 0. So the answer for LHS is 210, you got it. What you have to do again? You should take a RHS. So what is RHS? That is within brackets minus 21 into minus 4 plus again minus 21 into minus 6. This is RHS. Again same BODMAS rule you have to apply. Within the brackets you have to simplify first. So this inside one more brackets are there, that you are opening it by taking care of symbols. Minus 21 into minus 4. Minus into minus is plus, no need of writing. 21 fours are. If you multiply, you are getting 84. And I am closing the brackets here. Plus again here 21 before minus symbol is there, 6 before minus symbol is there, you have to do multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. 21 6 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. 126 you have. Now, if you add these two, I am removing the brackets here. 84 plus 126. 84 plus 126. If I add 126 plus 4 is 130. 130 plus 80 is 210. So you got 210. So LHS, what answer you got it? In RHS also you got same answer. So what you can say from this one means we verified the question. LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. You have to write it here. After writing up to here, you should not stop. You should write LHS is equals to RHS and hence verified. Now we will go to the second problem in exercise number 5. What is the second problem? See it once. See, habituate of reading the problem. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? See here, minus 1 into a for any integer a. For any integer a, integer means I said already for you, 0 will be there here, minus 1, minus 2, etc. and 1, 2, etc. Whatever be the number is there. So imagine some negative number. A means you are taking as minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3. How much you are getting here? 3. Isn't it? So if you are taking a as positive, a as some 5 you are taking. Minus 1 into a. So minus 1 into a means 5. How much you are getting? Minus 5. So what you are getting? A is minus 3 means here you are getting plus 3. A is 5 means you are getting minus 5 answer. If you multiply with minus 1. Means what is happening here? What you are observing in question, if sign is minus, you are getting into plus. That's it. So same here, minus 1 into a for any integer. A means you can keep any integer. The answer becomes a before, plus symbol is there here. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into a is a. 1 is multiplicative identity. With 1, if you multiply any number, same number will come. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 0, 0. Like that. So minus 1 into a is how much here? Minus a. Now this it is satisfying or not if you want to see. Okay, a is equal to minus 3. In this substitute, minus is there. A means again minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. Plus 3. Plus you should not write that. So 3. So this and this are same only. Here I written minus a. Okay. Minus 1 into a is minus a. This is the answer. Okay. This entire for explanation purpose I said. Remove it. Next. In second bit is determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. So determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. What he is saying is whose product with minus 1. Minus 1 he multiplied with some integer. I don't know that integer, but I got product as how much here? 5. Product I got as 5. So now what you have to do is, in multiplicants both 1 is minus. In product you have plus. Minus into which symbol will give plus? Means obviously minus. Very good. Now I said 1 is multiplicative identity. 1 into whatever be the number you are multiplying, same number will come. In answer you have 5. Here 1 is there. 1 into dash number gives 5. One table if you read, when 5 will come? 1 5s are. Very good. So minus 1 into dash is equals to plus 5. What you have to write? Minus 5. Very good. Next, third question. Find the product using suitable properties. So here properties. This is very important. Properties like associative property, closure property, commutative property, identity, inverse. distributive, so many properties are there in numbers, integers, natural numbers, whole numbers, like that. So first you should know the properties, then only we can do the problems. If we don't know the properties, we can't do the problems. So first question what he given is, in third first bit, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. He given like this only. So what you can do and which property you have to apply is very important one. So A into B and D into A are same or different. So this is called commutative property. A into B, B into A, both are same. Now what I am doing is, it is like A into B, I am writing like B into A. Means minus 48 into 26 I am writing here. Again minus 48 into minus 36 are written here. So from here to here, which property I used is commutative property under multiplication. What is commutative property? A into B is equals to B into A. So same we applied here, and we have to write here. See, I did not write on the board, but you have to write in your fair notes that commutative property is used. Why you have to write properties? He asked here, find the product using suitable properties. You should use property and you have to find the product. So here I used the property here. First minus 48 I written, 26 I wrote here. So what property I used there is commutative property under multiplication. Then so here it is like A into B plus A into C. This is 26, this is minus 36. These two are different and these two are same. So same one, if I use A, this is B, this is C. It is like A into B plus A into C, isn't it? A into B plus A into C. So A into B plus A into C, any property will be there or not means, just now I said it is distributive property. So distributive property, one side is A into B plus A into C. The other side is A into, within brackets, B plus C. So what you have to do is, this entire, you can write it as A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. This is called distributive property. This we are using here. If you use this one, it is like this one or not, you have to express like this one. So A two times are there, I have to write only one time, that is minus 48, I wrote only one time. So after into and brackets, B plus C, in place of B 26 is there, plus in place of C you have minus 36. Now see, if you are confusing with small brackets, what you have to do is, already small brackets are there here, keep big brackets, square brackets. Now do you have any doubt in this or see it once? This, by seeing only you should know it is in which form, it is in which property you can apply. You have to see that one. A into B plus A into C. So I used the distributive property over here. I got like this. Now simplification. That is what is this? Minus 48 okay, into is okay, and BODMAS rule. You have to add these two. 26 before plus symbol is there. 36 before minus symbol is there. 26 minus 36. I said one example for you. You have in your pocket 26 rupees and you should give 36 rupees to your maths teacher. Then what sir will do is, he saw 26 rupees in your pocket, he will take the 26 rupees and still he will say that tomorrow while you are coming to school you have to bring that 10 rupees to me. That is, what you have to do is, you have to do subtraction from 36. If you subtract 26 you are getting 10 and big number is having minus symbol, so minus will come over here. Now again which property means, here it is just addition you done, that's it. It's not a property. we done addition. If you want to write property here, you can write closure property. Closure property, why? How can you write closure property over here? Closure property is nothing but you have to take two numbers which are belongs to natural numbers. If you do addition, the sum is also a natural number, means closure property is satisfied. So this is integer, this is integer. I done addition. I got what here? Integer again. So which property I used here? Closure property I used. Then again come over here. This is what it is. I took two integers and I am multiplying it. So minus into minus is plus. No need of writing. 48 tens are 480. So I got 480. Here also what I can write? I can write closure property, because two integers I took it and I am multiplying them, and and the product also I got an integer. So this is by using properties I simplified this entire. Okay. Now what you have to do is same. So many problems given here. Use some properties. Okay, and find its product. So exercise number 6. It's a very small one. I'll say remaining you do it. So I'll start exercise number 6. What is this exercise number 6? We'll see it here. The question given, fill the following blanks. Following blanks, I have to fill it. What is the first question in this exercise number 6? First question is minus 25 divided by dash is equals to 25. So negative number with which you have to divide to get positive number. In answer, what you got in quotient? Positive number. So in the numerator you have negative number. Negative number is there, means here this also should be a negative number, and negative will be cancelled and we will get positive. Okay. Then 25 by x means which number you have to keep to get same. See, 3 by 1 is there. 3 with which you have to divide to get 3 as quotient. Means 1 only or not. 25 number with which you have to divide to get 25. Means 25, if you are dividing with 1, then only you will get 25. So in place of this fill in the blank, you will get minus 1. So it is one procedure to write the answer. The another procedure is, what you have to do is, let this blank one, assume it as x. Assume it as x. So a divided by b, you can write it as a by b. Similarly, what I have to write is minus 25 by x I written, and it is 25. Now x is dividing here. If I take to this side, it will multiply. Minus 25 is equals to 25 into x. Dividing quantity, if I am taking to RHS, right hand side, it will multiply. Multiplying quantity, I am taking to another side, it will divide. So now x I am keeping here, I am leaving here, 25 I am bringing over here. This is equals to x. 25 table, 25 ones are, 25 ones are. What is remained means minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by 1 is nothing but what here? Minus 1. So in this blank, what you have to write? Minus 1 you have to write it. Okay. Now with the zeros, how to do it? It is one question. Now you have 2-3 problems. What are the problems? We'll see here. Second question you can do it. Third question is, in this only third question, it is 50 divided by 0 is equals to dash. So keep it in mind that any table book, if you see it, do you see anywhere a 0 table? You can't. Okay, 0 table won't be there. See, 1 table will be there, but 2 by 0, we don't know its value. 3 by 0, we don't know its value. No one don't know about this value. No one can say the value of division with 0. Okay. So 2 by 0, if anyone wants to say, they will write like this. What is this? infinity. Okay, otherwise some teachers will say undefined, means we can't define. So there is no value when you are dividing with 0. So 50 divided by 0 is what here? Undefined, infinity, we can't. Okay, next now 0 divided by 1. Division with 1 is there, I said already for you. 0 by 1 is 0 itself. 3 by 1, 3 itself. See, by means 3, divide with 1. 1 3 is the 3 or not? What is the quotient? 3. 0 by 1 means 0 divided by 1. Means 0, we should divide with 1. 1 0 how much? 0. So, the answer is what here? 0. So, it's enough up to here. Next, in next class, we'll go for this exercise number 7. Okay, thank you.